In this lesson, we're going to learn how to estimate, how to calculate a tip, and just by doing rounding to the nearest dollar. So if we have a problem like this that says, estimate the amount of tip by rounding to the nearest dollar. So this is very useful. You can use this on a daily basis when you have to calculate a tip for an amount of money. So what is 15% tip on a bill of $73.80? So it looks kind of complex, but when you break it down simply, it'll be much easier. So the first step is round 73.8 to the nearest dollar. So let's not bother with any of the cents. So 73.8 is very close to $74, okay? It's only 20 cents short, so we could easily work with 74. Now, instead of working with 15%, let's find 10% of this new dollar amount of 74. So remember, 10% is 1 over 10. So now we just have to take 1/10 of $74. So that equals 7.4. How did I know that? Well, you have to move the decimal left one time. That's what happens when you divide by 10. So you take this 74. There's a decimal here at the end. There's a decimal at the end of any whole number. It's just not always shown. So you take it and you move it left once, just like how it's shown here, okay? So now we know that $7.40 is 10%. We need 5% more to make 15%. So what we could do is take this $7.40 and divide it by 2, and this would be 5%. Because if this is 10%, divided in half, that'll give you 5%. So dividing it into 2 is not that difficult. It's just $3.70. So now we add $7.40 and $3.70. And you can pretty much do that in your head, right? That's $11.10. So we can compare now to the exact answer. So if I put this in my calculator, 15% times 73.8 is 11.07. And look how close that is, right? You're just off by a few cents. So don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You might just be one explanation away from getting it. Just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. I have links in there to other videos of mine that I've done that are like this. As well, make sure to download the ebook. In the ebook, you'll find this exact lesson with a link that takes you right to this video. And you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.